guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to grow your own pineapple. You want to start by twisting the top off gently, and I just kind of hold the whole pineapple and twist very, very gently this way so we don't mess up any of the roots. So you want to take off a few layers, just enough to see the roots, which you can see right here, and I've only taken off a couple of leaves, but I usually do the first 2 layers. Alright, and as you can see, this is what it looks like after I take the few layers off. You can see the roots coming through. Now what you want to do is put this in distilled water for about 2 weeks. And change the water every 2 to 3 days. What do we see, friends? We see roots. Now this is only probably, I would say, 3 days it's been in distilled water, but you can definitely see the roots coming through. And this is about 16 days, around 16 days here, and we got a lot of roots, so we're gonna actually repot that one today. I am so excited to see roots. This is my 3rd time trying, and I have never got roots, and finally I have roots, so yay! So after you see roots like this, you do want to put it in soil. Pineapples require 4.5 to 5.6 pH soil, and I used organic soil with some acid food for the plant. So yeah. Let's hope they survive, and we'll do an update soon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.